Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Vancouver Financial Network. Today is October 24th, 2020. My name is Ali Safi. Thank you for staying in. Today, actually, we are gonna start this new analysis of the commitment of traders report, which is based on CFTC CFTC exchange. So what is CFTC basically? CFTC is Commodity Futures Trading Commission. And the commitment of traders report is very, very important reports that's gonna be published every Tuesday. So what is that basically? The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, publishes these reports to help the public understand market dynamics. Especially the COT reports provide a breakdown of each Tuesday's open interest for futures and options on futures markets, in which 20 or more traders hold positions equal or above the reporting levels established by CFTC. So in this report or weekly analysis, I try to keep it weekly, guys, because it's very, very important. I noticed that it's very important and it is very good fundamental data that I want to share with you folks. And I think it's worth it to watch to see what type of actions commercial money is taking place into different markets, like a future markets, if you're trading commodities like agricultural commodities basically, or if you're trading into like a forex market. There are a couple of information in forex market as well, and if you're trading in stock market, and there are lots of information for stock market indices like NASDAQ, like S&P, but unfortunately I'm gonna show you we haven't received S&P and NASDAQ right information almost for 2 months now, and it is very sad that these guys don't provide the right information. However, we are having the other type of information that I want to share with you guys. So stay with us. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Let's go to the reports, see what information they are telling us. Okay, let's just start with this report with linhart, which is one of the favorite agricultural commodity for restaurants, for like a food industry. And as you can see here, linhart, we're going with commercial. We are starting with commercial positions, reportable positions for commercial, which is institutional money actually is going there. So they reduce the long position dramatically on linhart futures trading, and also reduce short position as well. Total, they are more long than short. However, the non-reportable positions, which is like a regular people, are they are in short side. Like heavily they are in short side and reduce the long side. And let's go to chart, see what is telling us from the chart. So here is the linhart chart, guys, and as you see, we have very, very nice rally, consolidation, awesome rally again. But here we are into this big resistance area, and as you see, chart tells us exactly why commercial money actually just adding to their short position. And as a technical analysis as well, I'm looking for buying opportunity from 58 to 62. Those are my levels, but I have to see what type of price action we can see. But if we are going back to the fundamentals, here we are seeing what's the reason for the pullback. And the next product is going to be live cattle, and in the opposite way from linhart, live cattle, we can see reportable positions for commercial. They're heavily in long position, and they are reducing dramatically their short positions. And they are, however, in total, in overall, they are still on the short side, but they heavily add to their long position. And here is non-reportable position. They are in long position, but they reduce a lot into short position. So let's go to live cattle. Live cattle chart, see what is live cattle is looking like. And here is live cattle. Live cattle daily chart, we can see we had like dramatic sell-off last week. And we are into very nice area, and I'm looking for another long position here. If I'm telling you, I just nail in a little bit to the long position, but I'm waiting for more confirmation. If we get like to this level and get confirmation, we are getting into long position, and I'm gonna send you a signal into our Telegram channel. If you are not subscribed there, please make sure that you go to Telegram and search Vancouver Financial Network, and you can find us there. It's all free, guys. It's not subscription fee, anything like that. Like the other folks actually are making money with signals. We are not making money with signals. We are just saying you, this is the type of positions that we are taking. It is not financial advice. It is just, that's how we are trading. You can, guys, just look at the chart and see how is going well. But here is the traders commitment report for live cattle. Let's go down to lumber. I knew that lots of folks actually following us for lumber short position, and here is the reason again. So we are lumber in $50 but they are reducing a lot into reducing the long position for lumber and adding short position again. And here is non-reportable. They are adding to their long position, they're reducing short position. But who is the reliable, guys? I'm always looking for commercial, because commercial, they're heavily in short position rather than long. You can see actually they reduced a lot from long position, although they reduced short position, but still the momentum is bearish. Let's go down to feeder cattle. We just sent a signal last week for feeder cattle, and here is the confirmation, guys. I didn't see this report like you guys right now. I'm just opening up. Here is the feeder cattle. We send a signal, we send a buy signal. We are into position now for feeder cattle. And here is the reason. Commercial long, look at that, this number. And commercial short, this is dramatically down. They just reduced lots of short position. They add tons of, like 2,000 to the long position. Overall, although they are in short still, but this is the momentum shifting from short to right. To the long side. And here is non-reportable, same as commercial, so they are at the same page. They are adding long position, they are reducing 735 short position future market, so they're reducing that one. I'm not trading cheese, Russian ruble, no, I'm not that. Okay, so let's just start with some currencies. Canadian dollar, again, Canadian dollar is getting strong this week, so they add a lot into, like, not a lot actually, 800 to long position, but they reduce a lot, like 3,000, 1,100 from short position. And totally still they are short, but this is the shifting momentum from short side to long side. Here is the non-reportable position, moms and dads at home. So they are reducing both long and short, but reducing dramatically, like heavily short position rather than long position. Swiss franc, they added lots of short position here. Commercial, they reduced a lot from long short position, non-reportable. And Mexican peso, I'm not interested in that. British pound, interesting. British pound commercial money, they took a lot of the long position, means that they are bearish now for the British pound. They add a lot, 3,000 contract to the short side. Here, non-reportable, they reduce both numbers, long and short positions. However, long position reduced more than short positions. Japanese yen, what is going on there? So commercial money, they're going to Japanese yen. It's as a safe haven. And 1,700 almost long position, they added. Short position, they reduce. Also for non-reportable, I think that Japanese yen is going to get strong for next week. If we see follow through, we need to chase it up, guys. This is not going to be for next week or next week. This is long side trades. Those traders are long side. Those traders are looking for 2 months, 3 months, like minimum in a row. Not just if you see this, okay, I'm gonna buy Japanese yen, and today, like, Japanese yen drop dramatically, because those guys, they don't care. They don't care for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Even they don't care for next week. They just care whatever is looking good for them in next few months at least. So this is the perspective, guys. As a trader, we are seeing this fundamental data for overall picture from longer time frame, not a shorter time frame. Euro. Let's go to euro. Commercial reduce a lot to the short and to the long position. From their long position, from their short position, they reduce a lot. However, they are overally they're overally on short position and reduce again. Euro is gonna get weak, guys, for next month or so. Euro to pound means that euro to pound, still euro has upper side. Here is long position. They added to short position as well. Overally, they are heavily on the long position, commercial. And let's go down. New Zealand dollar. What is going on with New Zealand dollar? Long commercial, they are reducing long position dramatically rather than short. However, it's not gonna give me a good indication what is going on with New Zealand. It means that people or traders or big boys that don't like to trade New Zealand on the short side or long side at the same time, they don't like it. And let's go to euro dollar, the favorite pair that everyone is following. Euro dollar, you will see euro compared to dollar, everyone is looking for weakness for euro, and they are reducing a lot from long side, adding to their short side. However, the long side still is under the short side here, non-reportable, vice versa. But we are going with commercial, guys. I always trust them. And Bitcoin, it doesn't give us very proper information. I'm not trusting this for Bitcoin. And let's go down more for see if there is a for S&P 500, they are giving us consolidated, guys. It's not gonna give us good information. I'm not following this. I'm looking for S&P index. That's why at the beginning of this clip I told you guys we are not seeing S&P index commercial commitment of traders report for I don't know, 2 months probably. It doesn't give me anything for energy. However, they give us what is going on with S&P and energy stocks. And as you see, short side heavily. They're into short side. Unfortunately, lots of companies like in energy cycle, they're in short side for energy into S&P 500. Still doesn't look good for oil industry and energy sectors. And again, if I'm going down, I don't see any a proper report here that I can share with you guys. NASDAQ gives us consolidated. It doesn't give me anything. It just give us equal numbers. I don't get any significant data that I can share or can rely on it. So here is the report. Oh, here is Australian dollar. What's going on with Australian dollar? Again, going back to the Forex market, Australian dollar, they are adding to their short position, reducing a lot from long position. It means that Australian dollar, which is, I'm looking for this as a gold. If gold is going higher, it means that Australian dollar actually is going higher, because Australian dollar is really relying on gold. But look at this. Probably in short time, we will see a drop off on gold. I don't know, probably. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen, but this is the indication that I'm looking for. And the other one, Nikkei, I'm not interested in Nikkei index. And this is it. This is it for this week. Hope you have a nice weekend, guys. If you like this video, please give us a like, thumbs up, and please share your comments with us. And please subscribe through this button here. Thank you for all the supports, guys. Have a good weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.